If you're looking for a truly exceptional waterfront home in St. Petersburg, Florida, today I have the house to show you. This home is located minutes with direct access to Tampa Bay, an amazing pool, and a terrific layout. Today I'm giving you a tour of this beautiful Venetian Isles home located at 2049 Massachusetts Avenue Northeast. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house lives large with a great entertaining kitchen with a large island, wet bar, and beverage cooler. The most amazing feature is the indoor-outdoor space, a great patio with a pool located on the side, and direct access to Tampa Bay. I'm Georgia Janice with North Star Realty. If you'd like to see this home in person, give me a call or send me a text, 727-488-3763.